What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. Today with great news. For those of you waiting for a jailbreak, the RootHide Bootstrap has officially been upgraded to a proper semi-jailbreak because this now supports tweaks inside SpringBoard, which is the home screen, so that you can have cosmetic tweaks and so on. Also supports app tweaks, diamond tweaks, and so on. So there have been a couple of updates to the source code. RootHide Bootstrap is completely open source, and we're going to get into them in a second. If you're interested in making your own jailbreak or learning how this all works, definitely check out the sponsor of this video, 8ksec Academy. They have these free labs over here where you can get started and explore challenges and learn how to do reverse engineering on iOS. You learn how things work inside, and there are a couple of very interesting training resources over here that you can check out for free. And of course, each step teaches you a different skill on learning jailbreak development and of course hacking on iOS. But they of course also have courses, proper courses on how to do iOS hacking. Their course, Offensive iOS Internals, is one of the best courses available if you want to learn iOS reverse engineering and of course security and so on. So the RootHide Bootstrap has been updated. If you go ahead in here on GitHub and check the commits, you're going to see the 2.0 beta over here. And if you go ahead and check it out, it says that this has faster app injection. It fixed the issue with injected apps that couldn't be updated from the App Store, fixed the issue with injected apps that could not sync to Apple Watch, fixed issues where the battery usage and settings could not be loaded, and it fixed issue of slow user space rebooting. So this 2.0 beta is the latest one at the moment, and it's definitely great. But it's not the only one. Back on December 28th, they added SpringBoard injection and Launch Diamonds support. This one allows you to have proper tweaks, proper jailbreak tweaks on your device on the home screen. And this makes RootHide Bootstrap now a proper semi-jailbreak for all devices from A8 through A17 Pro, M1 and M2 devices. So most modern devices are supported on iOS 15.0 up to 17.0. You can jailbreak those versions on any of these devices over here, which is pretty much anything that supports those versions. A small side note, when I mention all devices in the title alongside an iOS version, it means that it supports all devices on that iOS version. So if I say all devices in iOS 17.0, I clearly mean all devices that support iOS 17.0. Because some people get confused that, oh well, but the iPhone 17 is not supported. Yes, but the iPhone 17 doesn't support iOS 17.0 either. So please do keep that in mind. Anyway, this puts the RootHide Bootstrap now on par with the NathanLR semi-jailbreak for iOS 16.5.1 up to 16.7 RC and 17.0. In fact, this one has even better support, supporting even iOS 15 builds. So if NathanLR does have issues for you with applications not updating from the App Store and stuff like that, or tweaks not working properly, you may want to try RootHide Bootstrap 2.0. The new beta is available in a TIPA format like this, which means that it has to be installed with TrollStore. Now, if you don't have TrollStore on your device, I do have a full article in here on how to install TrollStore on iOS 17, and there is also a method to install TrollStore on iOS 16 and so on, iOS 14, 15 with Troll Installer X, which is this application over here. So definitely check out the guide. It gives you all the information that you need in order to install properly the TrollStore, which is a prerequisite for both NathanLR and for RootHide Bootstrap. But yes, officially RootHide Bootstrap is now more than just a bootstrap with app tweaking support. It can also do SpringBoard tweaking, which makes it a full proper semi-jailbreak. Also diamond. So for those of you who are unaware on how to install it, if you have TrollStore installed like this over here, you can just go ahead and send this file and enable receiving through AirDrop on your phone, and you will be able to just AirDrop it directly to the device. You can also download it directly to the device, but as you can see, I have received it over here. I open it in TrollStore and I can install it directly in TrollStore, and that's essentially it. Now we have Bootstrap and we can open it. So we can now install it by pressing install over there, and that's it. You will get this new version available over here. Don't install the new version from here because it takes you to 1.4, which was released back in April 2025. The 2.0 beta was released a couple of days ago. So that's a little bit of a glitch because this one is a beta. But yeah, that's how you install the Bootstrap with TrollStore. Thank you for watching. I'm GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated. Peace out.